Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about electropositive character. Today we discuss about what happens metallic character in group and period. What are the factors affect on the metallic character? So today our topic is metallic character. Next, metallic character. What is the character of metals? So here metals having metallic characters. Metals have metallic character. So what is the nature of metals? Metals have a tendency of loss of their valency electrons to form positive ion is called as metallic character. Metals have a tendency loss of So what is the metallic character? Metals have a tendency of loss their valency electrons to form positive ion is called as a metallic character. Suppose some metals having 1, 2, 3 valency electrons. These metals lost their valency electrons to form positive ions. Metals have 1, 2, 3 valency electrons. These elements means these metals lost their valency electrons to form positive ion. How it is possible? When we check few examples. Example 1. Let me take sodium. Atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 3s1. So what is the valency electrons? Outermost electrons is called as valency electrons. Here which is the outermost? Ending orbit is called as outermost orbit. Here 3s1 is outermost orbit. How many electrons is there? 1 electron is there. Sodium has 1 valency electron. So that's why sodium lost 1 electron to form positive ion. Sodium gives rise to Na plus 1 minus. So here sodium lost 1 electron to form Na plus. So this one we should write 2. So here this is 1 orbit, this is 1 orbit, this one. We should write 2, 8, 1. So here 1 electron lost, that's why this one we should write 2, 8. Next example 2. Magnesium, atomic number 12. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. How many valence electrons present in magnesium atom? There are 2 electrons in outermost orbit. That's why magnesium has 2 valency electrons. Next, how it is lost? Check it. First orbit, second orbit, third orbit. Mg 2, 8, 2. It lost how many electrons? 2 electrons. 2 electrons lost 2 positives. 2, 8. Here completely 2 electrons lost to get Mg2 plus. Next, another example that we take. Example 3, aluminum. Aluminum atomic number 13. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Here which is the outermost orbit? So many members consider this one, 3p1 is outermost. It is wrong. Here orbital number same is there, we consider as one orbit. That's why first orbit, second, third. So here third orbit, how many electrons is there? 2, 8, 3. So here how many valence electrons is there aluminum? Aluminum has 3 valency electrons. Aluminum lost 3 electrons to get Al3 plus 3 electrons loss. So this one we should write 2, 8, 3. These 3 electrons completely lost aluminum to get 2, 8. So here already is the metals have 1, 2, 3 valence electrons. These elements lost their valency electrons to form positive ion. Next, another example 4. Potassium, let me take. Atomic number 19. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. First orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. Here how many electrons? 2. Here 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 1. So here potassium has how many valency electrons? Ending orbit. This is the ending orbit. Outermost orbit has 1 valency electron. So potassium has 1 valency electron. That's why it lost, potassium lost 1 electron to form positive ion. Potassium lost 1 electron to get, this is positive ion. 2, 8, 8, 1. 2, 8, 1. It lost 1 electron after get 2, 8, 8. Next, what are the factors affecting on the metallic character? What are the factors affect on the metallic character? First one is atomic size or atomic radius. What happens? Atomic radius increases and decreases, then metallic character. First point, atomic radius increases, then metallic character increases. Next point, atomic radius decreases, then metallic character decreases. So here observe point number 1, atomic radius increases, then metallic character increases. Now observe, lithium, sodium. Lithium size this is, sodium size this one. So when you compare these two, which one has more atomic radius? So what is the definition of atomic radius? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. So here less distance is there, that means atomic radius less, here atomic radius more. Atomic radius increases, then metallic character increases. Next, atomic radius decreases, metallic character decreases. What are the reasons? Because the distance between a nucleus to outermost orbit is very large is there, we should remove easily electron. But here we should not remove easily electron. That's why less metallic character, more metallic character. Once again, here atomic size increases, then electron easily remove. So here less distance between nucleus to outermost orbit. That's why atomic radius very less, and also we should not remove electron easily. It has less metallic character. Next, another one. Nuclear charge. What happens? Nuclear charge increases and decreases, then metallic character. Point number 1. Nuclear charge decreases, then metallic character increases. Point number 2, nuclear charge increases, then metallic character decreases. So here what happens? Nuclear charge decreases, then metallic character increases. Here what happens? Nuclear charge increases, then metallic character decreases. How it is possible? We can check it. Let me take one example. Lithium, sodium. Here sodium size is this one, lithium size is this one. So atomic number increases, atomic radius also increases. So here atomic number of lithium 3, sodium 11. Now we know that here what happens when you compare this lithium and sodium? Here the distance between nucleus to and outermost orbit is very less. That's why nuclear charge more on the outermost orbit electron. That means it is strongly attracted outermost electrons. That's why we should not remove electron. So it has less metallic nature. Next, here more nuclear charge. Next here, the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very large. So what happens here? The nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit electron. Then we can remove easily electron. So here what happens? Nuclear charge here, nuclear charge decreases. So here compare lithium to sodium. Here more nuclear charge, less nuclear charge. That's why metallic character increases. Next, nuclear charge increases, then metallic character decreases. Here increases. How we can show this two? Here less nuclear charge, more nuclear charge. That's why metallic character. This is more. This is more. This is less. This is more. That means metallic character decreases. Next, another one. What happens metallic character in a group and period? First one, in a group we can discuss. Here what happens? Metallic character top to bottom in a group increases due to atomic radius increases and nuclear charge decreases. Here metallic character increases top to bottom in a group due to atomic radius increases and nuclear charge decreases. So this is metallic character increases top to bottom in a group due to atomic radius increases and nuclear charge decreases. Let me take first a group. Elements: lithium, sodium, potassium. We know that rubidium, cesium, francium also. Any three elements you can take. 3, 11, 19. Atomic numbers. Lithium size this one. Here what happens? Atomic radius less, more, more. That means atomic radius increases. Next, coming to nuclear charge decreases. So here what happens? The distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very less. That's why more nuclear charge on the outermost orbit. So here the distance some large is there. That's why less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit. Here when compare this one, this two, here more large between nucleus to outermost orbit. That's why very less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit electron. So that's why here we should not remove electron easily, because atomic radius less, nuclear charge more. Next, here some easily released electron, because atomic radius large and nuclear charge less. Next, here very easily removed electron, because less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit. That means here nucleus loosely attracted by outermost electron. That's why we can easily electron removed. That's a metallic character top to bottom increases. Due to atomic radius increases, nuclear charge decreases. Next, let me go to in a period. Metallic character from left to right in a period decreases due to atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge increases. Here what happens? Metallic character from left to right in a period decreases due to atomic radius decreases and nuclear charge increases. Let me take any one example. Second period. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. Some elements you can take. So lithium size, this is here what happens? Atomic radius decreases. Here observe, more atomic radius, less atomic radius, less atomic radius, very less. That means atomic radius from left to right, what happens? Decreases. Next what happens? Nuclear charge increases. Here the distance between nucleus to outermost orbit is very large. That's why less nuclear charge on the outermost orbit electron. So same as it is you have to consider. Coming to ending, here also what happens? The distance between nucleus to and outermost orbit electron very less. That's why more nuclear charge on the outermost orbit electron. That's why here we should not remove electron easily, because nucleus strongly attracted by outermost electron. But here electron we can easily remove. How it is possible? Atomic radius less, nuclear charge more or less? Here less. So nuclear charge very less on the outermost orbit electron. That's why we can easily remove electron. So from left to right in a period, metallic character decreases due to atomic radius decreases, nuclear charge increases. Thank you students. Remaining class next we discuss.